Imagine a time when the walls of a fortress were all that stood between safety and chaos. The letter F in Gothic texture is like a steadfast fortress, a symbol of protection and unwavering resolve. Picture an ancient castle, its stone walls rising tall, unyielding against the test of time. The ascender, the proud vertical stroke, mirrors the fortress' towering walls, strong, reliable, and secure. The crossbar, a firm horizontal line, represents the drawbridge, a connection between worlds, strong yet flexible. And the descender, plunging downwards, symbolizes the castle's deep foundation, the unseen roots anchoring everything together. This letter F embodies the spirit of endurance and guardianship. It's the quiet protector standing resilient and unbroken against the test of time, a fortress of ink that guards the legacy of Gothic texture. In this form, the F isn't merely written, it's built, with every stroke carrying the weight of history, protection, and an enduring presence. So, as you write or observe this letter, remember the fortress it represents. It's a symbol of the strength found in fortification, standing resilient and unyielding, no matter what storms may come.